I'm back and I'm following the bushfire cases. I'm here in Newcastle and it's late January 2024. As usual, the court starts about 9:30 and it's wall-to-wall solicitors today. The solicitors are everywhere. It's standing room only and the queue is out the door. There's 169 cases on the list in Newcastle today and 153 of them are in the local court. There are so many cases, the magistrate is talking fast. I can hear him, but I can't see him behind this crowd of solicitors. I'm wondering what the collective term for a group of solicitors is. I'm guessing the journalists in the gallery probably know. With so many cases, I'm worried they will split the list and have two local courts running at the same time. My problem is I'm here for two cases. They could end up in different courtrooms and I may miss one. I can't be in two courtrooms at the same time. Really, I'm not sure how the media covers the cases in Newcastle. Remember, the district court is hearing cases today as well. I'm developing a new appreciation of journalists who cover court cases. Remember, the other local courts in the Hunter Valley are also sitting today as well. Just after 10 a.m, Adam's case is heard. Adam was charged in August 2023 with 13 counts of the Bushfire Offence. Adam is excused, so he's not required to attend, and his solicitor has sent an agent. It's a different agent to the one in December 2023. The mention only lasts about a minute. The brief is ready to be served on Adam, but it's adjourned until March to allow this to happen. So we might hear a plea soon. We'll see when it returns. So I'm also here to hear the case of Ben. That's the second case I'm interested in today. Then they do decide to move cases next door and have two local courts going. They move the fresh custody cases, meaning the people sitting in cells somewhere in the building. Actually, there's heaps of bail applications here today. Then there's some issue where they're not able to bring the people from the cells into the court. Anyways, it all moves next door. I'm safe because Ben is sitting in the gallery behind me and I can see his solicitor in the queue. There's a lot of cases with co-accused today, and so the court is trying to keep all these individual cases travelling together. So there's a lot of logistics being handled in the court. There's no cases involving scuba divers today. However, I noticed the barbers from Green Hills are on the list. About 10:20, Ben's case is heard. Ben has a case from August with 2 counts of the Bushfire Offence and 1 case from October with 1 count of the Bushfire Offence, allegedly lit while on bail. Now Ben has a third case from early January, not a Bushfire Offence. This is for new charges. It's 3 counts of intentionally recording an intimate image without consent. The mention is quick. It's adjourned for 2 weeks as it needs to be worked out whether the DPP are going to prosecute these new charges or will it stay with the police, while Ben's bushfire cases are adjourned until March. I'm not really sure why, because the focus of the discussion was mostly on the new charges. The media reports the story the next day. The headline reads, "Fresh charges against alleged arsonist," Ben's real name, including filming unlawful intimate images. I noticed this particular article states, court documents reveal the alleged offence occurred at around 7:30 p.m. on January 13 at Lostock, a rural town in Dungog. This detail wasn't said in open court. And when they say court documents, I assume they have applied to access the file. They can apply to the court for this information. Remember, I saw the case appear on the court list on Sunday the 14th of January 2024, the day after the alleged offence. I assume police refused bail because it went to court, and I assume the court granted bail because he is actually here present in the gallery. But there's no detail about this. In my opinion, the alleged offending while there are existing cases just makes the process really messy. It's just going to make it a little bit more messy for myself to keep up with the 3 cases. I'm hoping the court keeps them together. I feel like there's a missed opportunity here to at least mention what's going on with bail. I wonder if the bail conditions are being strengthened to mitigate the risk. Anyways, we'll see how we go. I'll keep you posted.